Okay, so I happened to be in the area and I stumbled across this open house sign as I was driving, and I was just like, why not? Let me just go in, check it out. Let's see what it looks like. So, this is this home in Silver Spring, Maryland, pretty close to downtown Silver Spring and University Boulevard, kind of like that area. If you guys are familiar with the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, this is pretty much where it is. But this home is a 3 to 4 bedroom home. As you see, I just showed the kitchen area. Here are the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms on the top floor. It's all one floor, and then it also has a basement, which you'll see in a minute. But yeah, there's 3 bedrooms on the top floor. They're all pretty spacious, wood floors. When I went in, I had to wear these footies, and I couldn't, walk around with my shoes. So, and yeah, I'm just checking out the closets, all the closets area. There's a lot of closets, by the way. So if you're looking for space storage, this would be a pretty good start. There's like multiple closets, so that's really good. And then there's also decent size in the bedrooms. I'm gonna go into looks like we're still looking at closets and bedrooms. Yeah, here is the 3rd bedroom. So you have your windows. It's pretty light and airy in each room, so that's good. It's not too dark and it's not too small either. So you get decent square footage and sizing. Okay, so now we're checking out the basement. We're just going down the steps, doo, 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 and we're checking it out. So, uh, yeah, it's pretty spacious. I mean, I was pretty surprised by how spacious it was. There's like some things there in the corner, but the realtor assured me that all that stuff is, that'll be gone. Um, so no one has to worry about that. But yeah, there's additional rooms in the basement. This room here is technically can't be considered a bedroom because there's no windows in it. So it's just gonna be used as, I guess, a storage unit in the basement. But yeah, there's it looks like tile flooring, more closet space. There's like a bathroom as well, which we'll see in a minute. Okay, and so here's the bathroom. I was really surprised to see this because I just didn't expect to see it. But yeah, here's a bathroom, toilet, that sort of thing. There's more windows, of course, so it's like a good amount of space to like rent it out. Like, so if you want this home, you can very much rent it out. You can use it as storage if you want. You can remodel it. This would be like the perfect home to remodel for anyone that is just like looking to get into that. That would be like this house is great for it. Again, all of that will be removed. And then here is like just an additional bedroom that like you can use. I mean, there's windows, there's a fridge down there, which I think the fridge should be removed as well. Will be removed. But yeah, we're back in the kitchen. And in case you need the information for the realtor, her information is there.